being a hearing aid user and a nurse, I realized that there are a lot of people that could benefit from a quality hearing aid that's at a affordable price. I realized the things that I was missing in life when I didn't have mine. And while my first set cost me in excess of $2,000, and I know a lot of people have paid $5,000 and $6,000 for hearing aids, which makes them out of the realm of possibility for some people. I said, what can I do to help people hear? So I contacted the manufacturer, and they have a huge selection. And so we discussed and we talked, and I brought home 4 samples. And it's taken me a little while to get this video because I wanted to try each of the 4 hearing aids. And I fell in love with this one. It has Bluetooth. I can listen to my radio. I can answer my phone on it. And best of all, I can hear with it. And so not only do I have a new hearing aid for myself, I have an offer for anyone who hears the sound of my voice, knows someone that has hearing problems, knows someone that could benefit. I believe in a product, and when I do, I feel that I should share it. And so I've created a website, and it's www.nowhearlife.com, where I've shared my experiences, I've shared my knowledge with hearing aids, and I am going to offer to you, anyone hearing this, a special offer. Just by buying a hearing aid during my grand opening period, I'm going to take $100 off of that hearing aid. And it's the season to give thanks. And for Black Friday, I am going to offer an additional 10% off of your order. So I'm taking $100 off the top, and then I will take 10% off and give you free shipping. One day only. I can't afford to go broke, guys, but I do want to try to help as many people as I possibly can. Come to my website. Come see for yourself. I would bet that you can make a difference in someone's life. So, once again, www.nowhearlife.com. Come visit, read about it, and place your order. And if you go in there and you put in Black Friday as a coupon code, I will not only take the $100 off for the grand opening, but I will take an additional 10% off and offer you free shipping with that Black Friday. That will be Friday only. It's a 24-hour period. Let's see how many lives we can change. Thank you.